Hello everyone. Last Monday we had the great idea of posting a video about a Brazilian dessert, my mother-in-law's secret recipe for the Brazilian lemon cake. Tonight I have another good surprise for you. My wife is going to teach you how to prepare the famous Brazilian brigadeiro. If you are not aware of what I'm talking about, a brigadeiro is like a fudge, a chocolate ball that is covered by chocolate sprinkles. Every Brazilian party here, birthday parties, have this, especially if it's a kid's birthday party. So people love to eat brigadeiro. Learn how to prepare this after the intro. I also want to thank BU Store for the t-shirts we've been wearing here in the show, in the videos. And if you want to get one of them, just access the Instagram account, which is right here. You're not going to regret it. What do you need?
Condensed milk.
A pack of
condensed milk.
A packet of condensed milk.
A tablespoon of butter.
Okay. In a frying pan,
yep.
Right?
Half cream.
Half table cream. Some people call it heavy cream. Heavy cream or table cream is the same, okay? Comments down below for me to learn where it is said table cream or heavy cream.
How say Italian?
Just a pinch.
Just a pinch of salt I like to put, but it's not...
Just a pinch, okay?
It's something that...
Why do you do that? What do you do that for?
To break this, to not be so sweet.
Okay.
Too sweet. And how do you say apurar sabor?
Maybe to hone the flavor.
To hone the flavor.
Of the sweet.
Yeah. Here I put...
I wanna reach the end, rise up from the ashes, and I wanna burn.
Chocolate powder.
Chocolate powder, okay.
A tablespoon of chocolate powder.
Spoon of chocolate
Two
cream.
tablespoons.
2 tablespoons, okay.
And bar of chocolate.
Chocolate bar. Let me change the size here. Turn against the light. Tony, if you're watching, this is for you, man, because you always ask me to make more videos about Brazilian cooking. There you go. A chocolate bar. This chocolate bar has peanuts, but it's not a rule, okay?
Yep.
It could be a milky bar, right? Doesn't have to be the same.
Now you mix everything together.
Cinema popcorn. Pipoca de cinema, dona Gil. Hã? De micro-ondas? Não sabia não, meu. Pode me dar se quiser, né?
Parecido.
Mas ele come? Não deixa. Ele
Okay.
makes everything, right?
Everything homogeneous. You turn on the fire.
Fire.
And start to
Until it melts.
small
Low fire.
low fire.
Until it melts completely.
Need to
This is brigadeiro, right?
yeah, like a brigadeiro gourmet.
What is the difference of the regular one?
The regular one is simple, and mine is implementado.
It has some incrementation.
That's it.
Ah, the mother-in-law is bringing
Thank you, mommy.
the wood spoon, very common in Brazil.
To mix and mix.
A few minutes later.
Look, after a few minutes
Mexendo.
mixing it up, look what it looks like. So it's pretty homogeneous.
But we need to stay mixing it up until the get to the point
Into what?
da mistura.
Say that in Portuguese. The mixture.
Tem que misturar até a mistura chegar no ponto de você passar a mão, passar aqui, ó. Após você ver o fundo da panela.
So she says that the mixture has to be so homogeneous to the point that when you pass the spoon, you can see the bottom of the pan.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Da brigadeiro, ó.
This is the way that it has to be. The way that you can see the bottom of the
Pan.
the frying pan, right?
Yeah.
Too bad I can't eat these things. But I'm fine with that already.
Mas ainda não tá. Aqui já tá pra você comer de colher. Au!
We're gonna show. So this is not the point of the.
Não, esse aqui dá pra você comer de colher, mas não dá pra enrolar.
So you can eat with a spoon, but you cannot roll it. That's what you want to do to make the balls. So guys, after you have mixed it up a lot inside the pan,
Yeah,
how
you
long did you do that for?
Like 20 minutes.
20 minutes mixing it up.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, to spread out here and in a
pan.
like a plate, something that don't break when
It's another one, baby.
like something that don't break when there's something hot inside.
Okay.
You put inside and then you
You coloca. And then you coloca.
and then you put
English.
inside of the geladeira.
The fridge.
Fridge
So put inside the fridge.
for 10 minutes.
Moments later.
Action!
Pull out.
So after cooling it off,
Ah, Marcelo, ainda bem. Pelo
it
menos
becomes like what?
Você
A
falou.
biscuit.
Vem aqui. Vem aqui, não, Marcelo.
Some butter here. Just a little bit of butter. Spread over your hands like that.
Okay.
Okay.
Grease the hands with butter for the brigadeiro not to stick to your hands. And then you roll them out like this. And then put in the chocolate sprinkles.
Give it up, baby, you're not fooling anyone. Always going on and on. Can't you keep it to yourself for once? Oh, I think I found a new way out, way beyond your shadow doubt. And I can't breathe. Oh,
And this brigadeiro has peanuts in them. Or in it, better. This brigadeiro has peanuts in it.
Yeah.
And yours doesn't have to.
É brigadeiro gourmet, né?
What is the meaning of gourmet for this situation?
Essa é algo
More
que tem mais
stylish.
mais trabalhado, tem mais ingredientes, mais saborizado.
And the regular one.
É só manteiga, leite condensado e
Regular
chocolate.
is just butter, condensed milk, and
condensed
chocolate.
milk e chocolate.
And yours is what?
Chocolate bar,
Chocolate bar,
Salt.
salt,
and the
salt,
rest.
salt, no salt,
Salt.
salt,
Salty!
and that's
Just
all,
it.
right?
Just
freedom. I never had the chance to run. Leave behind the said and done. Figure out what's to come.
So the gourmet week, the first video about lemon cake, and now brigadeiro. It was delicious, wasn't it? If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave your thumbs up because it's important for us, for the channel. Also, subscribe to the channel to receive new content every Mondays and Thursdays at 7 p.m. And on Fridays, a podcast at 7 p.m. at the same time. Do you want to support the channel? Subscribe. We also have an account on Patreon. Go there and consider supporting us for us to produce more and more. And also, spread the word. Spread the video with your friends who might be interested in Brazil. Thank you very much for staying with us. One more video and see you tomorrow on the podcast at 7 p.m. Bye-bye, guys.